Hey there, dads! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about some common bottle feeding mistakes that every dad makes. So let's dive right in and make sure you're not making these errors when feeding your little one. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Mistake number 1, warming the bottle incorrectly. Many dads tend to use a microwave to heat the bottle, but this can create hot spots that can burn your baby's mouth. Instead, use a bottle warmer or warm water to heat the bottle evenly. Mistake number 2, not checking the temperature. Always test the milk's temperature on your wrist before feeding your baby. It should be lukewarm, not too hot or too cold. Mistake number 3, holding the bottle at the wrong angle. Make sure to hold the bottle at a 45-degree angle so the milk covers the entire nipple. This prevents your baby from swallowing air, which can cause gas and discomfort. Mistake number 4, not burping the baby. It's essential to burp your baby during and after feeding to release any trapped air. Gently pat or rub their back until they burp. Mistake number 5, ignoring hunger cues. Pay attention to your baby's hunger cues, like rooting, sucking on their hands, or fussing. Don't wait until they're crying to feed them, as this can make it harder for them to latch onto the bottle. And finally, mistake number 6, rushing the feeding. Allow your baby to set the pace and take breaks when needed. Don't force them to finish the bottle if they're showing signs of fullness, like turning their head away or falling asleep. And there you have it, dads. These are some common bottle feeding mistakes that every dad makes. By avoiding these errors, you'll ensure a more enjoyable and comfortable feeding experience for both you and your baby. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more parenting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.